Hello and welcome to my science tutorials for kids. In today's video, we want to learn how to write the alphabet D. Now the alphabet D is the fourth alphabet in the English alphabet. So if we start from A, B, C and D, the fourth alphabet. Now D stands for a lot of words. We have D for dog, D for donut, D for dicey, or D for dog. Now in order for us to learn how to write D, we first of all need to practice how to trace it. After tracing it, then we write it ourselves. Are you ready? Okay, then let's begin. So let's look at how to trace the alphabet D. So we can see the arrows or the direction given to us over here. We need to move from top to bottom, and then we move from the top here all the way to the down for capital D. For small d, we need to move from top to bottom again to draw a straight line, and then we move like this to make a small semicircle to join. Okay, now we have three guidelines, okay, and in between them they have written our capital D's. So now let's trace them according to how to trace over here. Let's trace all the capital D that we have over here and then the small d. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. So we start by drawing from top to bottom, and then we curve it like this from top to bottom as well. Very good. We repeat the same thing, top to bottom, and then we do a small semicircle. Very good. Top to bottom. Very good. Top to bottom. Then we curve it like this, top to bottom, then we curve it like this, top to bottom, 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 and we curve it like this. Very good. So now that we are done tracing the capital D, let's trace the small d. For the small d, we see that in between the three guidelines that we have the straight line coming from top to bottom here, and then the small semicircle is between the second and then the third guideline. So let's do that. We do it just so that it touches the second and then the third guideline. Very good. So let's repeat that. So we move from top to bottom, small semicircle, 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 and the last one, top to bottom and small semicircle. Very good. Good job. Now we've learned how to trace the alphabet D, that is the capital D and the small d. Now let's write it ourselves without using the guideline. So let's go. For capital D, we go top to bottom and then semicircle, top to bottom, semicircle, top to bottom, semicircle, top to bottom, semicircle. Then we continue like that. Okay, very good. Keep going. Get a piece of paper and practice with me. Okay, very good. Now let's write small d. Like I said, for small d, we go from top to bottom, and then the small semicircle is between the second and the third line. Okay, so we go like this. Very good. So we repeat the same thing. Small d, 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 and the last one, small d. Very good. So now that we are done tracing and writing ourselves, let's come over here where we are asked to circle the alphabet D, capital D and small d. So let's look through all the words that are placed there randomly and see if we can identify capital D and small d. If you see any of them, you circle it. Are you ready? Let's go. So I can see one capital D here, another capital D here, another capital D here, another capital D here. Very good. Now let's go to small d. I see one small d here, another small d here, another small d here, and that is all. Good job. Now you know how to trace the alphabet D and also write it yourself. Now I advise that you practice how to write the alphabets yourself over and over and over again so that you know how to do it without mommy or daddy helping you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we continue to learn how to trace the next alphabet after D. So bye bye.